Most WordPress plugins don't fit your exact needs, or they don't exist yet. Building a custom one usually means hiring a developer or learning to code. But using Agentic deployment, you can hand most of that work to an AI assistant. I'm Christian Schneider, Head of Hosting, and today I'm going to show you how to use Cursor AI to create a custom plugin for your WordPress WooCommerce shop and deploy it directly to Hostinger. Here's how Agentic deployment works. When I connect Cursor to my Hostinger account, it can do more than just write code. It understands my hosting infrastructure, so it can test the plugin in my staging environment and make sure everything works and then deploy it directly to my site. All of that happens automatically, right from the chat window where I'm describing what I need. That's the full pipeline, from idea to deployed plugin, handled by the AI assistant. So let me walk you through how to set this up, and then we'll build a real plugin together. Okay, first things first, you need a WordPress site. For today's demo, we'll be using a testing environment that I created. It's a demo Jubilee store plus a staging environment created through Hostinger's staging feature. I highly recommend doing this if you have your own WooCommerce shop. It's a great way to test new features without worrying about crashing your website or having to take it offline for maintenance. If you don't want to use Hostinger's staging feature, you can also test changes locally using Docker. Now I need to connect Cursor to my Hostinger account. I'm using Cursor here, but this works with Cloud Code or Visual Studios as well, since the connection process is the same. In HPanel, I find the configuration prompt. That allows Cursor to talk to all of my Hostinger websites. Next, I'll head back into Cursor and paste the JSON prompt to set up the connection. The MCP server is up and running, and Cursor can now see my hosting environment and deploy directly to it. So we're ready to build our plugin. So since Black Friday is coming up, I want to focus on a plugin that will help me manage my Jubilee store. So I'll create a plugin that helps me manage special promotions and discounts without having to manually change each item. To get this set up, we'll enter the following prompt in Cursor. Now I'll check the staging website to see if the plugin is installed. There should now be a new category discount manager plugin that appears in WooCommerce, ready to configure. Everything looks good in staging. The discount is displaying correctly. The categories are working. Now I can deploy this to my live site. I'll just prompt Cursor, deploy this plugin to my live website. Plus, since Cursor is connected directly to my hosting account, I can deploy the same plugin to multiple web stores. If something's not quite right, I can go back and tell Cursor exactly what to adjust, and it will update the plugin instantly. And we're done. The plugin is now live and managing my discount automatically. I just had to set it up once, test it in staging, and now it's run on its own. A task that would normally take hours of development time, done through Agentic deployment. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that now is the perfect time to get started with Hostinger. For a limited time, you can get one of our hosting plans for up to 85% off, plus 3 months for free. That includes our Cloud Starter plan at just $7.45 a month for 48 months, which includes staging environment, API access for Agentic deployment, SSL, daily backup, and 24/7 support. Head over to the link in the description and grab your discount code and check out the full Black Friday lineup. So, that's Agentic deployment. Building and developing custom WordPress plugins by describing what you need to Cursor. Here's my advice. Don't overthink it. Start with something simple, a small feature your store needs. Test it, refine it if needed, and deploy it. You've got the tools, you've got the staging to keep things safe. Now it's about taking that first step and trying it. We've only scratched the surface of what you can do with AI Assistant and your Hostinger site. So make sure to check out the latest video with Valentinos to see how you can use Docker and GitHub to deploy full applications on Hostinger's VPS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.